Track 2.20, Unit 6, CLIL, Exercise 1. The water cycle. When it's sunny, the water in rivers and oceans becomes warmer. Some of the water becomes water vapor, and it goes into the air. This process is called evaporation. Water from plants and trees also goes into the air. This process is called transpiration. When the water vapor travels higher, it becomes colder. The water vapor becomes water again, and this makes clouds. This process is called condensation. Wind moves the clouds over the land, and it starts to rain. When it's very cold, it snows. The rain or snow is called precipitation. This water goes into rivers and oceans, and then the water cycle starts again.